So number 5, survey asked 600 people their favorite genre of book. Table shows the data. How many people surveyed responded with a genre other than one of those listed? So it says there was a survey with 600 people. So if we just add the numbers together that they gave us, 10, 12, 13, and a 4. So 432 total. If there were 600 total that were surveyed, that would be 168 that answered something different. So 168. And then they're asking the probability of adventure. So adventure was 102 out of 600. So 102 divided by 600 is 0.17. So 0.17, which would be 17%. Comedy is 114 out of 600. 114 divided by 600 is 0.19. So that would be 19%. Get rid of some of these other things here. Mystery is 84 out of 600. So that's 0.14, so 14%. Romance is 132 out of 600 is 0.22. So that's 22%. And then other is what we figured out earlier was 168. So if you do 168 divided by 600 is 0.28, which is 28%. And there we go. Okay, and then number 7 was another one that some people had problems with. So we have a bag that contains different colors of tennis balls. Corey shakes the bag, randomly selects a tennis ball, records the color, and places the ball back in the bag. Corey repeats the process 40 times. So part A, they want a probability model for all the possible outcomes. So it's green, orange, or purple. So that would be choice C. Experimental probability of selecting a green ball. So in his experiment, he got the green ball 15 out of 40 times. So 15 out of 40, you could reduce both of those by 5. And that would be 3/8. So I'm going to say 3/8 for that one. Orange was 18 out of 40. 18 out of 40, you can divide both of those by 2, would be 9/20. So 9/20. maybe. And the purple was 7 out of 40, and we can't reduce that. And then the experimental probability of choosing an orange tennis ball is percent orange was 9 out of 20. If you multiply both of those by 5, that'd be 45 out of 100, so that'd be 45%. And that's it.